Today we're going to get started on a belt for my Avatar Aang cosplay design. First, make a pattern for your belt. I started with a straight line and added an arrow point design. Fold your pattern in half and cut it out. Trace the pattern onto your fabric with it folded in half. Pin the pieces together and then cut them out with about 1/2 inch around the entire piece. Sew the two sides together. Use the same pattern to cut out a bigger back panel. Fold the fabric in half and pin the pieces together. Cut this out with about 1/2 inch around the entire thing. Trace and cut out several strips of CosBond Attach Build. Peel and stick these around the edges of our back panel. Then peel and fold the edges over. Place Attach and Build all around the edges of the front panel and down the center. Now peel the strips and carefully stick the front panel to the back. Iron these two pieces together to give them a better hold. And we're finished with our front sash. Stay tuned as we finish the rest of the belt.